To change your address on Credit Karma, you need to update it in your Credit Karma account settings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Login. Access your Credit Karma account by visiting the website or opening the mobile app. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings menu, typically accessible by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. Access personal information. Within the Settings menu, locate the option to update your personal information or account settings. Edit address. Find a section for your address and click on the option to edit or update it. Enter new address. Input your new address details accurately. Ensure that the information is correct to avoid any mail delivery issues. Save changes. Once you've entered your new address, save the changes to update your account information. Verify updates. Some platforms may require you to verify the address change by confirming it through an email or other means. Confirm completion. After saving the changes, review your account settings to ensure that the address has been updated correctly.